I am Medni. This video is for the computer-based tools for management application modules mini project, and here I go to demonstrate about my mini project. First of all, this is my project management system that I have developed for Machine Center Private Limited to manage their project. And for my mini project, I used uh, the database of the Machine Center Private Limited's project. This is the database that's Machine Center, and these are the tables. Some of these tables used for VBA mini project. Let's go to the VBA mini project. This is macro enable Excel file, and when I open this, it asks for the user authentication. Only the users in the database and users table only can access for this VBA mini project. And when I type the username and password, when I type incorrect username or password, it will show a message box to please enter correct username and password. When I log into the system, it includes 5 Excel sheets. These sheets includes the data in the database and projects, machines and employees. Data are the master data in the system, and project machines and daily running chart sheets includes the data of the transactions. Here, if I briefly tell about the Machine Center Private Limited, its business model is leasing construction machinery for the development projects, various development projects throughout the country, and here it shows the some of their projects, and here it shows some of their machines in the database, and here it shows some of their employees in the database. And when they assign a machine to a project after agreement, we can see the machines and its projects that has been assigned. So, and when machine work in a project, we can see we take a DRC, that's daily running chart, that includes its own ID and project ID, machine ID and employee ID, and the date, how many hours worked, and the first reading of the machine and the reading of the machine end of the day after the work, and what are the work, what is the work that machine has done. So here the everything of the business is run through the daily running charts, and for the VBA mini project I have added some pivot tables and charts. Here in under projects, it shows what are the projects in the system and their status. Here, since only few projects are available, nothing much to see. But when there are so many projects, we can see the project status, how many projects are active and how many projects are hold, and various status according to the various status of the projects. We can see how the things of the projects are going on. And in this table we can see what are the how many machines are assigned, how many machines are available up to now. According to the status, we can see and how many machines are in the system. This pivot table shows basically about that, and when machines are in different status like under maintenance, broken, they all will be shown here on in pivot table, and the machine sheet as well. In employees sheet, it shows the data about employees in the system, and here all employees are available up to date, and when their status change, we can see that by our pivot table. If we go to the machine projects and their machines, in other words, what is the project that machine has assigned. So here you can see how things happened, and this chart is for the identification of the maximum charge of the machine in the project, and this is for the maximum rental rate for the machine in the project. When they assign and when they sign agreements, they can see these tables and get an idea about what are the maximum charges they go for these machines, and according to the project types, when they renew agreements several times, they can see how things happen in maximum wise, how what are the maximum minimum charges and maximum rental rates goes according to the machine types. When we go to the daily running charts, this shows the sum of the daily running chart hours and on the project 1, 65.9 daily running chart hours, DRC hours have been worked. We can categorize, like sort them according to machines and projects. If we see the let's see, select machine 1, and we see on the project 1 it has worked 41 hours, and if we select employee 1 in machine 1 in project 1 worked 12.1 hours. If we remove the machine folder, you can see in project 2 employee 1, employee ID 1 and work data version. In project 1 it's 18.7. Like that, here it sorts employees like maximum DRC hours they worked in machine and project, as well minimum DRC hours in machine wise and project wise and employee wise. We can get the data for that, and here I included pivot chart for this data that includes the data about the how projects work in how machines worked in projects. Here we can sort them according to the machine type, machines and employees. This is the end of my VBA mini project demonstration. Thank you for watching.